Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare a simple carrot rice. For this, pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of split black gram and half a teaspoon of split chickpeas. Let the mustards pop. The mustards have started popping and even the urad dal and the chana dal has been fried well. Now we can add a handful of curry leaves and 4 to 5 cashew nuts chopped. Next we are going to add 3 to 4 green chilies, and you can always adjust this according to your taste. If you don't want to use cashew nuts, you can always use ground nuts, but you have to fry them separately and you have to add it at the end. Next, let us add 1 small chopped onion. Saute them till it is translucent. The onions are ready. Next, it is time to add the carrots. This is 1 large carrot grated. Now add the required amount of salt. If you want the carrot rice to be little sweet, you have to saute the carrots until it is half cooked. But if you don't want that sweetness, you have to saute this for much more time. Now let us add the cooked rice. This is 2 cups of cooked basmati rice. I have cooked the basmati rice in pressure cooker, and if you want to cook this in pressure cooker, for each cup of basmati rice, use 1.5 cups of water and pressure cook for 2 whistles. Now give a nice mix and be sure that you are not breaking the rice. The carrot rice is ready. Let us top it with some coriander leaves and finish it. Thank you for watching and hope this recipe will take a place in your lunchbox. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.